Be aware that this tutorial is only for people with experience launching tokens, deving tokens, sending coins to the moon. And if you don't have any experience, probably this could be too much for you. In this case, I'm going to show you the best method that works right now as of 29th January of 2026 to launch a token on Pumpfun, to make it pump, send it really high, and then take profit as you want, or send it even higher. For this video, I got prepared an exclusive tool that works for launching a coin with a bundler without showing as a bundler, a method to market make the token, generate volume, and pump it organically or automatically as you prefer, and then the best method to dump wallets, trade the token, and sell it and buy it as you want. I don't know how long we will take, but I will show you the step-by-step process on how to use this tool in a proper way in order to succeed launching your own Pumpfun tokens right now that the market is picking up and you have a really good chance to make some money. Well, I'm saying that this is an exclusive tool only for people with experience because, as you can see, it's not the usual UX that we can find on other tools. It's actually a handmade UX by people from the trenches, with people from the trenches that make 20, 50 sol every single day deving coins in Pumpfun. I'm not joking. We have been working on this tool for like 6 months so far. We launched it a while ago. We have been fine-tuning it even more, and now it's ready to crush it, making money deving coins. So we have a lot of options. As you can see, we will get through the most important ones. In this case, the bundler, the magical organic trading deving coin tool, I don't know how to call it, but basically you have here a list of wallets with a lot of balance, token supply that you can buy and sell, and you are market making your token manually in a crazy way. We have the bundle swap. When we want to sell with several wallets, we can dump all the wallets at a time with a click of a button before any MEV bot fuck us. And then we have the volume bot, which is basically to run volume, simple volume bot from here. So let's start from the beginning. First of all, you need to select which DEX you are using. In this case, we are going to use Pumpfun for sure. And you have two options. You can use this tool if you already have a token. Let me put an example. For example, Barking Puppy, which is in PumpSwap now because it migrated. We copy here, we paste the token address here, and now our session will be around this token here. If we want to change it, we just need to click here and we change it again. So now if we have this here, we can start using the bot with the wallets and so on. In this case, we are going to use the bot from scratch and we will launch our own token. For launch our token, we need to do several things. First of all, we need the wallets for the bundler. You can just create fresh wallets here by clicking on the button new, and it will start creating fresh wallets. You can import your own private keys with wallets with history, which is obviously the best. And you can also export the private keys of the fresh wallets you are putting in the bot. In this case, what I will recommend is just create the first wallet. For example, here I have this one with 2 sol, and then you click on cost transfer, because basically what we will do is get one wallet and split the amount of sol in that wallet to the number of wallet we select here with a private transfer, so it doesn't show on the bubble maps and so on. In this case, I'm going to split this on 3 wallets, and we can set random amounts, so it will be an average of 0.67, but not the same amount, because also bubble maps detects wallet and link them because they got a transfer on a similar time with the same amount. So this is really important. We click on split wallets. We will have 3 fresh wallets with Solana.com from a private transfer, so it doesn't show on the bubble maps. Here we go. We have these 3 wallets. We will delete these 2 because we don't need them anymore. And then another thing you can do is, if you want to hide even more the trace, you can click on migrate to new wallets or to import it as you want, and you set an interval. What will happen here is that each wallet will send the Solana to a new wallet by using several wallets in the middle, so it hides the trace even more for bubble maps. In the end, it's the most important because people will go to Axiom, GMGN, and try and track what's going on your token. And if you are going to rug, we don't want people to see that on our token. So I will set an interval of 4 seconds between each wallet, and we confirm the migration. it will take a bit because of the interval, and we will have another 3 wallets, fresh ones, because we selected that, and with the Solana again, but even less untrustable. Okay, cool. Then once we have all wallets ready to launch, I would recommend you to use 3, or if you want to use a bunch more of wallets, take on account that you will have snipers before you. I will explain you why later. Then, to launch our token, we need for sure to set the information of the token. You can fill it manually, or you can just copy the token address of another token, paste it here, and it will copy the metadata so far, at least as much as it can. So we fill the information, we got the image, the name and the symbol, and I'm invent the other data, and I'm copy the other data from here. It has a Twitter, so here we go. Perfect. barkingpuppy.com. Cool. Then we select the dev wallet, that will be one of these. So to add the wallets to the bundle, we just need to select them and add to bundle. Okay. Here we have the wallets, and now we select the dev wallet. In this case, I'm going to select first one, for example. Then we need to set the buy amount, basically how much each wallet will be buying on the bundle. In this case, I wouldn't recommend you to buy too much with the wallet because it will show, but you can buy more size with the other wallets that will show as a sniper, and I will tell you why. We set a random amount from 90 to 95% of the wallet, for example. Here we have the amounts, and then we have this feature of use different blocks. This is really important because if we select more than 3 wallets when launching, we need to split the buys on the bundle impact. We need to split the bundles on bundles of 3 wallets, because if it's more than 3 bundles in the same transaction, it will show as a bundler, and we don't want that. So you need to select this option and take on account that if you put, for example, here 10 wallets for the bundle, you will have bots and snipers buying before some of the wallets you put in the bundle. So you can put 10 wallets, but ensure that you are putting more in the first wallets that will be buying for an obvious reason. Then you just need to click on launch. It shows the contract address, so you can start looking for it on Axiom. Let's get this ready, and then we just click on confirm launch, and we will have our token on Pumpfun ready. For sure, you need to be playing with this, and you need to see how things are going on the token before doing anything. So now we look for our token. Here we go, and here we can see how we got some transactions, people buying, selling. If we just dumped it all after the bundle, we will have taken some profit from these 2 wallets. So it will be basically easy 1 sol profit, almost 1 sol profit easily, and I just launched it with 2 sol, which is crazy. So note that the method you use, the amount you use, the wallets you use, if they are fresh or not, the history they have or not, the token you are launching are really important, and that matters to the volume you will get and the people you will get buying, for sure. I don't need to explain that, but just in case you are not aware. Then, once we are in this point, for sure you need to have prepared push, a social account, posting the contract address, and so on. I'm not going to do if you want me to do the whole process launching a coin live, let me know in the comments, but I'm just going to explain you the method. You should have a Twitter account, push ready, some KOLs if you have friends buying, more wallets getting into it, and to create that volume and that feel of FOMO, you need to get other wallets buying. You can get them organically because there is hype, or you can create that FOMO. To create that FOMO is as easy as creating more wallets here, and you will be market making your own token. So what we will do here, it's basically we take one of these wallets. For example, we send here 1 sol. Let me do that real quick. Okay, we will have the sol here in a second. So we have the sol here now, and we can make the same we did before, split it between 10 wallets, for example. And then, for sure, I will do this with at least 10, 20 sol if you want to make it effectively and not just a sheet of 1 Solana. But yeah, now we will get other 10 wallets with some sol here. And what we will be doing is selecting few of them, selecting the amount we are buying. I'm going to put total amount in all of them. And what we will be doing here is start buying with several wallets. So we will be market making our own token. We select here the amount we want to buy in the settings. and we start market making our token by buying it by our own. So, and here, once we select the amounts, we select here the amount we want to buy per token, per wallet, sorry, and we start buying and selling our token. So it will be like we are market making our own token. As you can see, we are getting buys here, and then we can sell it as well, so it looks like people are buying and selling it, okay? And we can start selling it so it shows that people are buying and selling it, so it looks organic. You can do this really fast, so it will be like a lot of transactions coming and going, so people see it active, see the graph growing, get into it, and so on. And then once you get your volume coming, people coming, organic buys and so on, you can also run the volume bot if you want here to make it automatically, but won't look the same. Once you get all these ongoing, you can just, once you get all these ongoing, you know, the wallet's coming, new buys, people, hyped, and so on, pumping, whatever, you just need to click on dump all, and the tool will automatically sell all tokens. And you got the P&L, the profits, and so on. As you can see, it sold all from the wallets we have, and now we will have taken that profit from our coin. It sold everything, as you can see. Now we got the sold back, and we can see the P&L here, which is 6.5 so far. Also, one cool thing is that you can select the dev buy, the dev wallet, and claim the fees on the token, so you can also get back the creator fees. Or if you want, you can just connect them to Pumpfun and claim them, whatever you prefer. But this is basically the key. Make it organic, because it's organic. It's you with several wallets, but it's organic. It's manual. It's not a bot. No way to trace that the wallets are linked to another. There is no problem on the bubble maps. Let me show you real quick. Here, the dev buys and the launch look as a sniper, not as a bundler. This was just a sneak peek, or what you can actually do with this pro bot. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know so far how it goes, your experience with it, and if you try it, let me know which tokens you are launching so I can check and see the results so far of you using it. But that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.